Hello everyone and welcome back to the Code Syndicate. Today we'll discuss about struct in Rust. A struct is a custom data type that lets you package together and name multiple related values that make up a meaningful group. Structs are like tuples where we can store different types of data but with some more features. Unlike tuples in a struct, we can name each piece of data so it's clear what the values mean. This means structs are more flexible than tuples as we do not need to rely on the order of the data to access the value. We can achieve this by using the name in case of struct. Let's create a simple struct which will be storing a I32 and string type of data. To declare a struct, we start with this struct keyword followed by the name of this struct, and inside these curly braces we define name and data type of the data that this struct will store. So this is the name of the data that we are going to store in this structure, and this is the type of this data. Now we have successfully created a struct. Now this struct student data will act as custom data type, and we now can create instances of this struct as many times as we want. Let's see this with example. Now we have created an instance of this student data. We can create more instances like this. Let's create student 2. Now let's see how we can access data of a struct. To access data of a struct instance, we need to call the instance name and thereafter dot and the name of the data. That is, from this student 1, we want to fetch this student name. So we write student 1 dot student name. Let's run this code. Let's ignore these warnings, and as you can see, Dyna is printed in the screen. So let's see how we can use data of other instances to a new instance. Now we will use the data of this student 1 in this student 2. For this, let's remove this student name and instead write dot dot student 1. Now let's try to fetch student name of this instance student 2. Student 2 dot student name. Let's run this code. Here you can see we have got Dyna, which is from this student 1 instance. This happened because of this dot dot student 1, which copies data from this student 1 instance and merges it with this student 2. Remember, the data already declared in this student 2 instance will be intact. To verify this, let's print roll number as well. So this student 2 dot roll number. Let's run this code. Here you can see we have got this roll number 2, which is from this student 2 instance.